You've never done this before, have you, Jack?
No, not at
Are you
all.
excited to clean out a dryer duct?
Very excited.
This is a bathroom vent. This is the intake for like the furnace. And this is a dryer duct where your clothes dryer, you know, spits out all the lint and the dust and crap. And today we're gonna teach Jackie Boy how to clean out a dryer duct and save some money. Okay, come here. Come. So we're gonna go downstairs to the dryer. This is the dryer duct. It goes all the way up here, it goes over there, it goes all the way down there, and then way over there in the corner is where we were looking outside. And we're gonna put the leaf blower inside the dryer duct, turn it on, and you're gonna be on the outside with this brushy thing trying to clean out as much as possible, all right? You ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, you go upstairs.
All right.
And I will pull this out. Hopefully you have enough, you got enough space. So here's where we pulled it out, right there. And this is where we're gonna stick the leaf blower with all the goop. Hopefully goes the other way and Jack will be catching it with his little brush system. All right, so I'm gonna hit the trigger and you're gonna try to get that in the little flap there.
All right.
And the ducting goes like this and then it turns.
Okay.
And then it goes straight down that, so it's a little bit of a stretch. So that's why you take this and you kind of turn it and you wiggle it and you move it back and forth, pull it in and out. You're basically scrubbing the inside of the duct,
All right.
getting all the stuff out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Getting all the angles.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little dusty.
Bit,
It's gonna be a little dirty. So wait until all the goop comes out first, okay? And then start pulling it and pushing around. You're not gonna break anything in there. You're gonna feel a little bit of resistance, but that's because you're taking corners and stuff.
All right,
Okay? Just stick it right in the hole and turn it on. Hopefully Jack doesn't get blown away with the lint. Let's go see what he's doing. How you doing there?
Good.
See if you can make it go left like it was. See how far you can shove it in there. There's a challenge. All right, so you got this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to go get some coffee.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you later. You don't need anything, do you?
You're just gonna leave me here like this?
Yeah, you don't need any refreshments or anything, do you? No, you're good. You're good.